This is my latest hire, and it is not human. Probably you might have heard the same story, people buying insane amount of MacBooks, right? And this is about CloudBot that changes everything, and your next employee lives on a separate computer, maybe a Mac Mini or a Mac or on a virtual machine. And this is created by Peter Steinberger, an AI assistant that lives on any computer, or rather on my computer, watches how I work, learns my life, starts doing my job for me. Built by only one solo developer, no big company, no launch event, and the best thing, it is open source. And that should scare you. Why are thousands of people really buying Mac Minis? Not for editing, not for coding, not for gaming. They're buying it to run an AI. Yeah, you heard me right. People are literally purchasing a dedicated computer just to keep an artificial intelligence awake, running 24 bar 7, 365 days. That should scare you, because it is not Chat GPT, it is not Gemini, this is not another AI app. This is something much deeper and much bigger. It is called CloudBot. You heard me right. And once you understand it, what it does, you will realize why next phase of AI isn't happening in the cloud, it is happening on the people's desk. Many tools today do different things. They answer, CloudBot doesn't answer. CloudBot really acts in the world of agentic AI, and that's the big difference. And let me give you a clarity. What is CloudBot? You see in the website, CloudBot is an open source personal AI agent that runs directly on your computer, not in some remote data center, directly on your machine. Your machine may be Windows, Mac, or Linux, doesn't matter. And here it gets wild. You don't open CloudBot like an app, you text it. Whether you want to integrate with Telegram, Slack, Discord, WhatsApp from your phone, and computer at home actually starts working and starts moving. It opens files, runs terminal command, browses a web, writes code, edit documents, upload videos, and schedule meetings for you. And this is way beyond a normal chat bot. This is a remote control for your entire digital life. People call it Siri with hands. Yes, this is the Siri moment with your hands, because it doesn't just talk, it does. And this has led to an insane amount of something happening or exploding in the world of computers. Mac Mini sales. Now here is why Mac Mini comes in. CloudBot is designed to run in 24 bar 7. And here is the thing, why Mac Mini sales are exploding. Chatbot is designed to run 24 bar 7, always on, listening mode, and always working. People don't want this kind of power on their main laptop. They want to run it on simpler infrastructure, maybe a virtual machine on the cloud, maybe on Google Cloud, Amazon, or Azure, or even the world of digital oceans. Or if they want more control on their local machine, they are keeping it separate on local Mac Minis or my laptop, which you saw, my latest hire, and dedicated machines. Tiny servers sitting on the desk just to host your personal AI. Think about it. We are gone from AI help me write mails to AI lives in my house. That's not an evolution, that's a fundamental shift in the reality. And the part that makes it different is, let me explain the real magic. CloudBot remembers everything, not for session forever. Your projects, your habit, your preferences, your goals, everything it clearly remembers about you, your personality trait. Basically, it learns about you. It's developed a digital soul. You can call it as a second brain. You heard me right. It learns how you think, and it starts acting before you ask. And let's visit the website here, right? The website is navigate to cloud.bot. I will give in the link in the description, and you can see what all it can does, right? I highlighted WhatsApp, Telegram, or few apps to name a few. You can see what people are saying and experimenting. And the easy way to install is start a virtual machine, keep it separate. It does highlight security concerns while I was trying to install. Probably a next video for you. Just copy this command and run it. It tries to install seamlessly on your Windows, Mac, or anything. And it runs on your machines, runs any app. It has got a persistent memory. That's the key. It remembers you. And it has got a browser control, and you can also have Chrome extensions. It gives you full system access, and it has got bunch of skills and plugins. These are the tools you can extra add on to the applications. And with this, it works with every tools of your choice, which you see. You name it, Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, Spotify, GPT, it covers everything, right? AI develops a digital soul, and this is about CloudBot. This is how your digital soul is being developed, and it works as a second brain. It learns how you think, and then it starts acting before you ask, checking mails while you sleep, monitoring trends, running scripts, preparing reports. This is proactive AI, not anymore reactive AI. That's the moment changes everything. And let me give you some real world examples, not a theory. The first thing first, let's talk about super personal assistant. CloudBot monitors Gmail, summarizes urgent message or important messages, draft replies, books appointment, manages calendars. Some users even connect it to smart homes like for air quality check. Bed, lights, your AI is literally adjusting your physical environment. Number two, autonomous coding. This part blew my mind. You can be outside having dinner and text, build me a landing page. Your Mac Mini or your laptop or your VM at home opens the terminal, installs the dependencies, writes the code, runs text, fixes errors, and deploys it seamlessly without you touching a keyboard. If something breaks, it reads the error logs, searches for solution, fixes itself. It's completely a self-healing software. Let's move into number three, content plus research engine. CloudBot can monitor X and YouTube for trends. And if you happen to be a content creator, you want to send daily summaries, organize your files, compress videos, upload it to Google Drive, maybe some creators even have it generating motion graphics automatically. Your entire content pipeline becomes autonomous. This is not productivity, that's the leverage you have. And there is a dark side. When you install, you will see the security part being highlighted clearly. Now listen this very carefully. You are giving an AI full access to the system, the files, the password, the terminals, the browser, everything. If you make a mistake, it can delete your folders permanently, expose your credentials. Remember the chat GPT flaw, which exposed lot of personal data? Same way, expose credentials, send messages you didn't approve. One user reported that it clearly nearly texted their ex, and even because AI is non-deterministic, you don't always know what will do next. So that's quite terrifying, right? And here it can get expensive. If you run premium models like Cloud Opus in the background, people have reported bills going hundreds of dollars per day. You have to be very choosy in picking the right models. So it has got a bunch of options. You can choose the model of your choice, whether you need GPT, Claude, or Gemini, Opus, Cloud Opus rather. You can pick and choose the cost-effective model. I have tried Gemini, it works well. CloudBot runs autonomously, millions of tokens, even while you sleep. So yes, power comes with a price. Don't forget that. And why this matters? We are entering the era of personal agents, not apps, not tools, not digital workers, always on, always learning, always acting. That's the shift we are going through. We had mainframe in the past that shifted to PCs, personal computers to smartphones, smartphones to personal AI agents. CloudBot is just the first signal. Mac Minis are just a hardware symptom. That's the real story. The humans are delegating executions to machines. And what's happened next? For example, in next 2 to 3 years, everyone will have an AI server, and that too personal, running locally, connected to everything, handling life, handling work, handling money. If you don't learn this now, you will be managed by people who did it. So here is my question to you. So why would you trust an AI with your computer? Would you let it run your life? Or are you still waiting for permissions to start learning? If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe button, and comment AI agentic era, because this is not coming, this is already here. And the people buying Mac Minis or Macs, they have already figured it out. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel. Hey, if you have not met me, my name is Preetham. I talk about generative AI, productivity tools, hacks, and I happen to be a TEDx speaker as well. And I have authored Demystify Generative AI for Everyday People. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Thanks for watching.